realities of playing the violin. Rest is part of the growth and learning process of any instrument, diba? So, akala na iba kasi pag sinabing mag-aaral ka ng music, it takes, yes, countless hours of grinding and practicing, listening to music and everything else, diba? Sobrang obsessed tayo sa process na, oh, ito, ganito yung kailangan kong gawin para gumaling. That we tend to forget that rest is also part of that, diba? The same way we have rest in music, diba? Kasi minsan hindi ka naman kailangang tumunog. The same way that we should be resting ourselves. So hindi pwedeng tuloy-tuloy lagi yung practice mo because our body needs to recover. Same reason we need to sleep, diba? So when you practice, you should actually take frequent breaks, no? Parang the ideal practice routine would be 50 minutes of practice and 10-minute rest in an hour. So every practice time mo dapat maglalaan ka ng oras para magpahinga, to take your mind off of the things that you are doing, to be able to appreciate other things as well. Kasi as a musician, of course, you need inspiration, and you can only get inspiration from outside of that practice, outside of the playing. Mas maganda yung makuha mong inspiration. So you always need to take breaks, kaya para hindi ka din ma-burnout, para hindi sumakit yung katawan mo. Kasi a lot of people think na yung pagtugtog is an easy thing to do, but it's actually very, very physically taxing, diba? Nakakapagod din siya, and mentally as well. So you need to take breaks in order to keep your mind sharper, to keep your body healthier. Kasi pag hindi ka nagbe-break at tuloy-tuloy ang pagpa-practice mo, mapapagod and you will deteriorate, diba? And you also heighten the risk of injuries, diba? So ang mahirap pa sa injuries ng mga musicians is it's what they call overuse injuries, and sometimes these types of injuries are irreversible. So you really need to take care of your body, your mind, and everything else, diba? So kasama yon, no? Hindi masama magpahinga, pero syempre wag naman sobrang pahinga na hindi ka na nagpa-practice. That's a different thing, no? So take breaks as frequently as you need, no? Of course, you also need to build that endurance. So kung bago ka pa lang nagsisimula, you don't need to practice 2 or 3 hours. Pero of course, kung nag-enjoy ka, go lang. But you also need to take care of your mind, your body. Hindi lang basta tugtog. So kasama talaga ang pagpapahinga. So follow for more, and I'll see you on the next one.